Good evening, Joey. At sa lahat, bago ang aking verbal diarrhea, happy 126th Independence Day sa
Uy,
lahat ng
gano'n?
Pilipino.
Uy, gano'n?
Oo, Pilipino lang. Yung iba, hindi ko na alam. Okay. So, 2 points lang, Joey, no? By the way, I am from the Liguac capital of the Philippines, Davao City. So, ang sa akin lang, yung pamumudmod ng ayuda,
Yan.
united tayo sa tingin natin that it is a band-aid solution. Well, it is a solution, band-aid siya. Anong ibig sabihin nun? We are not addressing the roots of the problem. Bigyan ng 10,000, 5 kilong bigas, we think it would solve the problem. Now, I think, because I'm also a development worker, nakikita ko na that they don't have perhaps the a deep understanding of how to address the problems of the country. That's why they resort to easy solutions, and that would be to distribute 10,000. Sure, nakakatulong 'yon 2 araw, 3 araw. Siguro kung malaki ang pamilya mo, 1 araw lang 'yon. But masyadong madugo ang proseso ng pagbuo at pag-implement ng isang programa o isang proyekto na totoong that truly addresses the root of the problems, poverty, security, kung ano-ano pa. Yun yung first point ko. Kaya siguro nagre-resort sila doon sa ayuda because they have to do something in order to justify the spending and the budget. The second one is that yung mga ligwaka na nangyayari, especially the past 3 weeks or the past month, I know some of them personally, and I can vouch on the integrity and dedication of these individuals. May mga army officers na basta-basta nilang niligwak, Secmabel, for example, of Minda. So I think kailangan mong alisin yung mga tao na sa tingin mo may integrity and would not be sycophants. Yung hindi oo lang ng oo sa gusto mong mangyari. So you have to get rid of them, which shows what kind of leader this president is. Ayaw niya na may challenge sa kanya, and ayaw nilang marinig na, teka lang, medyo may mali sa mga gusto niyong i-implement. So yun yung nakikita ko ngayon. Bakit? Kahit sabihin pa natin na okay to, maayos to, may prinsipyo to, may integridad to, still, they were given the pink slip, they were sacked, because that's exactly the reason. They are people with integrity. That's why kailangan silang mawala sa landas. So yun lang yun. Para sa akin, just 2 points because I know I have only 5 minutes. Thank you very much.